What's up, everyone? So my name is Rob. I'm gonna give a pretty detailed review on the new Converse TURBOWPNs. All right, let's see what we got here. So right off the bat, we have the satanic Converse star that everyone's hating. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. All right. So you got here the tag, Converse TURBOWPNs, Dark Shadow, my boy Rick Owens. Let's see, give me a minute. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is pretty cool. Like the small detailing here. Right, only holes in the middle. So it does, I believe, come with two laces. So it does come with a white and a black lace, right? The leather looks pretty good, pretty high quality. You have the dark shadow Converse stars on the left side, right? So that's the outer side. And you do have the Converse star on the other side. The sole is pretty big. It's a pretty big sole. It's about, I think, 2 inches long. But pretty cool, pretty cool. We have the saber tooth style of sole. Right, if you guys have Geo baskets, it's the same one you see on Rick's Geo baskets. And there are Converse star detailing on the bottom of the sole, which I kind of like. It does seem like this shoe is more of a Rick Owens design rather than a original Converse weapon design, which I like too. A lot of small detailing. It does also seem to be a fully leather shoe, so I am feeling that the tongue is fully leather, right? And like I said before, it does come with two laces. I'll probably swap it for the other lace. Interior wise is 100% leather. That's what I'm feeling. Let's see. What we got in bottom? It does seem to be full leather, which is pretty good. These do retail for about $200. I think overall, pretty worth it. Like, let's look at some of the details. It is double stitched, which is good. We always want to see that. It's a very hefty type of leather. It's also Converse quality, so there's a few small imperfections, but not a huge deal, right? Like right here, you can see some of the paint on the sole. But I do like how it's double stitched everywhere, right? So that means it's gonna be a pretty sturdy shoe. It's probably gonna last a long time. I probably will wear this more as a day-to-day shoe, as it's not too avant-garde. It's good for daily wear. So the lacings on these are pretty standard Converse lacings, nothing too special. I will probably swap these out with my Geo basket ones. So, but yeah, the lacings are pretty standard laces. Overall, honestly, this is like a pretty good value for a shoe, right? It does retail for $200, but you are getting a 100% leather shoe in a pretty hefty leather. Like, this is pretty good quality leather, nice and sturdy. Now the reason why I keep saying this is 100% leather is a lot of shoes actually aren't 100% leather, right? If you have like usually you don't see 100% leather other than in boots, right? Most shoes actually have like a canvas interior with a leather like outerior, but in this one, this is both interior leather and outerior leather, which usually, does increase the price. So I actually am pretty surprised this is only 200. I do think this is worth almost, I would say, 300 bucks quality wise. It is Converse, but these shoes were customly made, for Rick Owens. So you're not just simply buying Converse shoes here. This is really a Converse Rick Owens collab, similar to the ones like we saw with Rick Owens and Adidas, right? If you do recall those were almost, I believe, $800 or 400 bucks. I don't really remember. This one I would say is almost the same level, same quality. The shoe was made for Rick Owens, right? It's not like Converse has the weapon designs anymore. So, if you want to cop it, I do recommend it. I don't think 200 is that much. I do think this is actually underpriced. This definitely does deserve to be at least $300, $400, I would say. It's definitely not, it's almost the same quality as the Adidas Rick Owens ones. So there's no reason why, this one wouldn't be valued any higher, other than the fact that I guess it is Dirk Shadow rather than Rick Owens' main line. Overall, I do think this is worth copying, right? It is, good bang for your buck. I'm gonna put these on and I'll show you how they look on feet. All right, see you. All right. Surprisingly, this is pretty comfortable to wear. Didn't really have any issues with it. As you can tell, I did switch it for the white lace. I'm pretty sure it has the standard Converse soles underneath, so those are pretty comfy. Overall, I would say this is pretty worth it, especially for the price. This by far has to be the cheapest Rick Owens shoe you can buy, not including the other Converse collabs, right? The Chuck Taylors, not including those. This by far has to be the cheapest ones. It's kind of like a budget geo basket, right? It looks like a geo basket, right? It looks more like a basketball shoe than a geo basket does, actually. I do like the shoe a lot. Overall, great day-to-day wear. Great everyday wear. Construction is good, right? You have a thick layer of leather. Good stitching, clean stitching. Fully leather, right? Fully leather. It even has the direct shadow branding for that clout. Yeah, it's only 200 bucks. It's a good statement piece, but not too out there, right? You can wear these night downtown and you won't get that many stares, but I think people will appreciate it. Yeah, so overall worth it. I'll give a 10 out of 10 on the worth it scale. That's it. Please comment what you guys think about the shoes. If you guys also copped it, let me know what you guys think. Remember to subscribe, like, and I am thinking of doing a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers, which may or may not take a long time, but you know, you don't really lose anything out of it. And if you are subscribed, you are entered in the giveaway. So yeah, that's it.